Hi, you're welcome here. Today I share with you how to make a delicious Nigerian meat pie. So before we get started, I will have to introduce all the ingredients you need to make a delicious meat pie. You have to know what you need and what you don't need. So first of all, I'll introduce the Irish potatoes, which is a must. You need onions, you need carrots, you need pepper, you need your seasoning cube, you need nutmeg, you need cornstarch, you need flour. I have 2 kg of flour, but I'm going to start with one. So I have my sugar. I have brown sugar. You can use the white sugar, and this is my margarine. You can use butter also. I have baking powder in a cup of cold butter. I also have my thyme for meat, curry for meat, salt for meat, and vegetable oil for the meat also. So, and finally the beef. So let's start immediately without wasting your time. You'll be grating or blending your meat if you don't have a minced meat. When that is done, preheat your vegetable oil, go in with onions, salt, and fry for just a minute, and then you finally introduce your beef. Whatever meat you are using, just introduce it and fry on medium heat. So you're going to keep stirring to avoid burning at the bottom. Don't add water. So when the meat has already bring out its water, you go in with your nutmeg, your thyme, your curry, your black pepper, your whatever ingredients you use for cooking meat. All the ingredients you use for spicy your meat, you introduce them now, and then you test for salt. So after testing for salt and it's okay, you go in with your grated pepper or blended pepper, your Irish potatoes, carrots, and then you cover it and cook. So at this point, you stir it properly so that the meat and the other vegetables are going to cook together. By now, you are going to add water, a little water to cook everything. So after it is cooked, you're going to make a slurry. This is a combination of cornstarch and water. Then you introduce it now. As you can see, my Irish potatoes is well cooked. So I introduced the slurry into it and just give it just a minute and stir everything well. So this is how your filling should look before you set it to cook. So while it is cooling, you're going to work with 1 kg of flour. First of all, you have to sift the flour to make it lighter. So while I'm done with that, I'm going to use 1 spoon of baking powder, just 1 spoon, not too full of baking powder. That is okay. 3 spoons of sugar, depending on how sugary you want it to be. So you mix everything well and go in at last with margarine or butter. So as you can see, my hands are clean. There's no need of using a spatula or whatever. So I'm going to use my hand to mix it to make it faster. So as you can see, it's going to look like breadcrumbs after mixing it all. So now I'm going to introduce egg. Just 1 egg for 1 kg of flour is very okay. So you mix it well. After mixing the egg, introduce cold water just to help you to form the dough. So you add little water little by little. As you keep mixing, you keep adding if there is need for any addition of water. So as you can see how I'm mixing it gradually until it comes together to form a dough. So at the end of the mixing, this is how your dough should look like. So when you have achieved a good dough like this, you can use a vegetable oil to rub on the surface of the pan or around the dough to prevent it from sticking and to make it softer. Or you can just cover it just the way I'm doing and let it stay for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough should be looking soft, fluffy, and easy to knead. So I'm going to spread some flour on my surface and knead it a little, and then I've cut it into kneadable sizes so that I can able to cut and put in the fillings. So I'm going to leave you here to watch and see how I did it. So if you are just coming across my video for the first time, I'm very happy that you were able to click and watch my video. I hope you enjoy what you are seeing. Thank you for stopping by. Also, thank you for clicking the watch button. I appreciate, and I also like you to subscribe to my channel. In that way, I'll be more encouraged also to do more videos and bring here. Thank you and remain blessed.